back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is the second video in the Make It Up challenge. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I will link the first video down below, but basically I am taking part in a makeup competition called Make It Up on AwesomenessTV's YouTube channel. I will link their video down below. So every single week we're getting judged on different makeup looks and we have different challenges every week. Today is the second challenge and the second box just came in, so I'm gonna go ahead, unbox it with you guys, go over the rules, see what I have to do. I don't know. And last week we did have a call with the judges. I did not win, unfortunately. But you know what? That's only gonna make me like work harder on this look. And I honestly, like, I'm just so pumped and I'm all about it. I'm going to I don't even know. I'm gonna like try to make my brain think of like something really cool and like just pull out whatever talents I have and like just do better. So let's go ahead and open the second box. Pink tissue. Okay, there's a little color wheel. I don't know what this is gonna be for. I have no idea. I can't even think of anything. Like, ooh, maybe I spin it and then whatever color comes up, like that's the look that I have to do. I don't know. Okay, I already see, so it says back in the day. For this week's challenge, we're totally flashing back to a time when big hair and the brat pack reigned supreme. The 80s. You must create a look inspired by the hottest pop icon trends from this colorful decade. The rule, spin the wheel to determine which color must be the center of your look. You cannot use any product explicitly labeled or advertised as blush. What's with the 8-ball? At least 3 times during your routine, you must consult the 8-ball about which products you can use, which colors, etc., and follow whatever it instructs. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do an 80s colorful look, and let's spin the wheel to see which color. I'm hoping pink. That's literally what I'm hoping, because I don't know, I've been like liking and like into pinks. Here it is, my fate. What is it? What is it? Blue, okay. Okay, I like blue too. Actually, blue is another one of my favorite colors. All right, let's start. Okay, I brought you guys in a little closer. I decided the pop icon that I'm gonna take a little inspo from is Cyndi Lauper, although it's not gonna be like an exact replica of anything. It's literally gonna be like my take on some 80s look. I wanted to do something fun and colorful, but also keep it true to like my style. I'm gonna go ahead, I already primed my eyes. I'm gonna start with, oh, and I also didn't mention what's in the box. There's this little palette right here with some awesome colors. I'm definitely gonna dip into this blue and then the pink and teal probably. And then 4 liners, a nice bright pink lip paint that I'm definitely gonna be using, some mascara, and then the 8-ball. So I'm going to go ahead and start with, I'm gonna go into this palette first and grab this like true pink here. This is gonna be my crease color, but I am going to add a totally different, simple color to the lid. And I know my main color is blue, so don't worry, I am gonna diffuse this out, but I do wanna add some pink to it also. You guys, we had no idea who the judges or the other contestants were. We found out literally the day of, when you guys saw like our reactions of the judging and everything. I was so pumped about the contestants and the judges. Like, everyone was so sweet. It's actually been so much fun. I did not want to do this competition because I didn't want to put myself out there and be like judged and like critiqued and been told, like, nobody wants to be told that their makeup looks bad or that they did a horrible job or whatever, but it was actually super fun. Like, everyone was super nice. Obviously, like, I don't think I'm a pro. It's just fun, but it was cool to see like what they did have to say. And like I said, now I'm just gonna try harder, do something a little different. I still want to stay true to myself, like I said, so I'm still gonna do something cool and fun with the like Arlyne twist to it. Also, don't forget to go to AwesomenessTV's video and leave the crown emoji, because if you guys don't know, they call me Arlyne the Queen. So I chose the crown emoji, so that just kind of encourages me and just lets them know that you guys are like rooting for me, and just like, you know, it's just nice to see, especially like right now while we're getting judged. Like, I need your guys' encouragement. Now I'm gonna take this super light creamy shadow and put it all over my lid. This is where we'll lose some of that pink, since I know blue is my main focus. I'm gonna take this super light white color and put that all over top of the cream shadow. Oh yeah. Kind of diffuse it right there. This is what I mean by losing some of the pink. Okay, so going on to the blue fun part that I have in mind, I'm gonna do like a thick blue winged liner. So I'm gonna go in with just like a regular pencil stick liner, and then over that I'm gonna go in with this blue shadow here so that it really stands out and it's like super matte and just vibrant. You know what? Let's bring in the ball. I'm going to ask it if I can use the blue shadow on top. Magic 8 Ball, can I please, pretty please, maybe if I ask nicely with manners, pretty please, pretty please, use the blue eyeshadow on top. She don't even want to talk to me. Oh my gosh. You guys, she doesn't want to talk to me. Oh, right here. Okay, I finally got something. It says without a doubt. I don't know if I can hold it up for you guys to see. Oh my gosh, without a doubt. It says without a doubt. She likes me after all. Okay, wait, slowly but surely. Can you guys read that? You're just gonna have to believe me, I promise you, I'm not lying. It says without a doubt. She let me use the blue shadow. She let me use the blue shadow. Here we go. I think if I take my brush here, this definitely looks a lot better. I'm digging this fit. I don't know where I'm going with any of this, but you know, we're moving along. Okay, I feel like in person it's so much more vibrant than my camera's picking up. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this blue here, try to brighten it up even more. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start working on my face, then come back to my eyes. Okay, face is done. I did like my everyday full coverage. You guys know I like to cover up all the acne scarring and everything. So I decided that for blush, the rules say that we're not allowed to use like an actual blush for blush. So if I'm reading it correctly, so I'm gonna use this pink lip gloss. Hopefully this goes okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go like so gentle. Holy moly. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh, can I save this? I had a feeling this might be a disaster. Oh my gosh, you guys, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? We've managed to save it. Now, instead of that, I'm definitely gonna go into an eyeshadow for blush because that is just too crazy. Although it already looks really pretty actually, but I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this pink shadow here. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna line my waterline with this blue liner that was in the box since I wanna use more blues. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's more of a teal blue. It's like a teal dark blue. And I'm gonna smudge it down here a little bit. I'm gonna smudge out that liner on the bottom lash line with this teal blue here. Wanna make sure I'm using up my blues. Oh yeah. This is so out of my comfort zone. I would never do my makeup like this, but I think like it actually looks really cool. Like I'm gonna wear it the whole day. Okay, then I'm gonna add mascara and lashes. Also gonna make sure to get my bottom lashes. Hey, you know what? Before I apply the lashes, I'm gonna ask my 8 Ball if I'm allowed to apply false lashes. Mrs. 8 Ball, will you please allow me to add false lashes? I look like a naked rat without them. My lash glue is drying, Mrs. 8 Ball. I need to know if I can apply it or not. Concentrate and ask again. Mrs. 8 Ball, I'm trying to be patient, but my lash glue is drying. Yes, it's just a solid yes. Oh my gosh, okay, you guys have to believe me, it's a solid yes. I need to apply my lashes before it dries out. No longer a naked rat. Okay, so now to add more of that Cyndi Lauper vibe, there's this image of her where she has like these two kind of lines by her eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do something similar. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Arlyne touch that you guys know I love to do. Then there's two lines. But of course, with the Arlyne twist, I'm gonna add some glitter because you guys, I love glitter. You guys know, if you follow me, like I always do a glittery eye. So I'm gonna go over this silver with some pink glitter. And the blue line also. And then she also seems to have a little pink dot there, so I'm gonna add some of the lip gloss. Okay, wish me luck again. Gotta take a risk. We did it! We did it. Okay, now on to lips, and I need to ask the 8 ball one last thing. I don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do with my lips. I'm gonna ask my 8 ball if I can do blue lips. So, Mrs. 8 ball, can I do blue lips? Please respond to me today. Most likely. I think that means yes. So, I think she likes me today. She responded yes to everything. So, I'm gonna do basically the same thing I did for my eyeliner. I'm gonna do on my lips. We're going in, guys. Okay, how do we feel about it so far? I don't know how I feel about it. Go back into that blue shadow and put it all over. All right, so there you guys have it. What do you guys think? I went way out of my comfort zone. I started feeling like it was looking too like Halloweenish almost, but I guess that's kind of like the fun of it. And I looked up a lot of Cyndi Lauper pictures, and she had some crazy makeup, which is honestly super fun and cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Also head over to AwesomenessTV's YouTube channel and go check out their video where the judges go ahead and give us their critique and all that. So yeah, there will be judging on this look. Also, go leave a crown, my crown emoji on their video. That's gonna be it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed. Just way out of this world 80s iconic pop look. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next challenge next week. Bye.